Today, we're going to show you how you can increase revenue without sacrificing customer experience by leveraging the adaptable, dynamic capabilities that only Amelia can deliver. Let us show you an example of how you can stop missing calls when you're out of the office while maintaining the same flexibility and personal touch that your employees offer. Because your customers don't just deserve a stopgap, they deserve the best possible experience. Let's look at how a conversation might go.
This is Amelia. How may I assist you?
Hey, I was wondering if I could look at a one-bedroom unit this Saturday. I need to move at the end of the month, and I'm looking for something around $1,500.
You'll notice that the customer has provided some of their identifying needs, but not in the order that a chatbot or simple menu system would allow. For Amelia, however, it doesn't matter. If the customer provides relevant information, Amelia will not only remember and take note of it, she will also skip the steps later on where she would normally ask those questions, saving the customer time and providing a superior experience.
It's my pleasure to assist you. I'd be happy to arrange a tour for you. With whom do I have the pleasure of speaking?
Nathan Patino.
Thanks, Nathan. And just in case we are disconnected, may I have your phone number, please?
555-123-4567.
Perfect, thanks. Will there be any pets?
Oh, hold on. I think I gave you my old phone number before. My new number should be 555-987-6543.
You'll notice that the user has changed topics when asked a completely different question. This is called context switching, and it is notoriously difficult to plan for. Amelia can understand user requests even when they don't occur when they normally would in a conversation flow.
No problem, I'll go ahead and update the phone number on file. Will there be any pets?
After Amelia fulfills the unexpected request, she remembers where the user left off and prompts them to continue.
No pets.
And are there any specific needs you're looking for in an apartment, such as floor level?
Well, I own a couple bicycles. So unless there is bike storage, I actually prefer ground level.
You got it. I'll make a note of that for the agent that will give you the tour. It looks like we have availability on this coming Saturday the 12th. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Amelia remembers that the customer wanted to have a tour on Saturday, and it's reflected in her response.
Around 10 a.m. would be perfect if that's possible.
Perfect. I'll schedule you for 10 a.m. on Saturday the 12th. Do you need directions to the community?
No thanks, I'm all set.
Amelia is available 24/7 across every channel your customers may want to reach you. She can be rapidly deployed in hours to days, not weeks or months, and can scale to serve customers during unexpected spikes in call volumes. And better still, she can integrate with your existing back-end systems, allowing her to deliver a seismic shift in your organization's productivity and customer satisfaction. Want to see her for yourself? Visit Amelia.ai today.